on the same chapter, that is chapter 1 of class 9th, that is decimal expansion of real numbers. So as we have seen in our last class, that is what are real numbers. So what were real numbers? Real numbers were of two types, that are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. So these were two types of real numbers. Now today's topic we will study about the decimal expansion of these both type of numbers. How to convert these fractions to decimal, or if we are having a decimal number, so can we convert them into a fractional number? So this we have to see in our today's topic. So first we will start with rational numbers, decimal expansion of rational numbers. So let's take an example, that is 7 by 8. This is a rational number and we have to convert it into decimal. We have to see its decimal expansion. We will divide it. So 7 divided by 8. 8 cannot be divisible, so we will put decimal and 1 0. Now it will be 8 8s are 64, remainder is 6. We will put one more 0. Now 8 7s are 56. Now here remainder is 4. We can put one more 0. Now 8 5s are 40. Now the remainder is 0. That means the solution, that is the division, is completed and we got a decimal number, that is 0.875. So this is our decimal number which is end up, which is terminated. So this type of rational number, in this case it is terminating. And what is terminating? That the remainder is coming 0 at a point. While dividing, when the remainder is 0, that time the decimal is known as terminating decimal. It is a terminating type of decimal, that it is end up and we got a perfect, that is a number. We got a number, particular number, without repeating it. So this was case 1. Now we will take another example like 1 by 3. Now this again is a rational number and we have to put that in decimal form. So we will divide 1 by 3. As it cannot be divisible, we will place 0 and here decimal. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Again we can put a 0. 3 3s are 9. Again the remainder is 1. We can put another 0. 3 3s are 9. Again the remainder is 1. When you will solve this, again and again you will get the same remainder. That means this 3 will be again and again repeated. So in this case, the answer will be 0.333 dash 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 dash. It will never end. It will repeat again and again. We will never get the remainder 0. We will get 1 1 1 again and again. So it can also be written as 0.3 bar. This is the sign of bar, which means this number which is having bar, जिसके ऊपर बार है वो नंबर क्या हो रहा है, रिपीट हो रहा है. ये नंबर क्या हो रहा है, बार बार रिपीट होगा. 3 रिपीट हो रहा है. Now this is the decimal expansion of 1 by 3. But ये terminated नहीं है, तो we will write it. It is non-terminating. It is non-terminating. ये terminate नहीं हो रहा है, but ये repeat हो रहा है, तो इसको बोलेंगे non-terminating. और ये repetition को बोलते हैं recurring. इसको हम बोलेंगे non-terminating recurring type of decimal. So ये हमारा case 2. So what we have seen, two cases in rational number. One is terminating. That means whenever we are finding decimal of any rational number, we are getting two type of decimals. That is terminating decimals, and secondly is non-terminating. If they are getting, then it is recurring. या तो repeat होगा, non-terminating है तो या terminating होगा. So these are two type of decimal expansions of rational numbers. So if you come across some numbers like 3.4526 or some numbers like 1.2323 dash dash dash, or you can say at 1.23 bar, if you come across this type of numbers, so can you say that these are rational numbers? That here we can see it is terminating, here it is non-terminating and recurring. मतलब जब भी कोई नंबर टर्मिनेट हो रहा है, एंड हो रहा है, या फिर कोई नंबर है जिसमें रिपीट हो रहा है, रिकर हो रहा है पर टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है, तो क्या हम डायरेक्टली इनको बोल सकते हैं कि रैशनल नंबर्स है? तो हाँ, हम बोल सकते हैं रैशनल नंबर है. हम इसका एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे जिससे आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा कि इन दोनों टाइप के नंबर्स जो है उनको हम रैशनल नंबर्स कैसे बोल सकते हैं. यहीं पर एग्जाम्पल्स को हम आगे इलेबोरेट करेंगे. दिस नंबर दैट इज 3.4526, इट इज अ टर्मिनेटिंग. अब इसको हमको अगर डेसिमल से फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, हम डेसिमल रिमूव करेंगे और जीरोस प्लेस करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में. तो इट विल बी 34526 अपॉन हाउ मेनी नंबर प्लेसेस आर देयर आफ्टर डेसिमल? 4. सो अपॉन 10,000. So we can say that this is a rational number. It is in the form of p by q. So it is a rational number. That means when a terminating number is there, we are getting a rational number. Now here non-terminating but recurring. So here can we say that it is a rational number? So we can check it. Take this as x. X equals to 1.23 bar. Now multiply number of places after the decimal. कितने number of places है यहाँ पर? 2 places है. तो इसमें हम 100 का multiply करेंगे. तो multiply by 100, it will become 100x. Here it will be 100 into 1.2323 dash 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 it is. Now multiplying here by 100, 100x equals to 123.23 dash 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 dash. Here we are multiplying it by 100. Now subtract x both the side. Why we are subtracting x? Because if we subtract this x, here decimal will be removed. So 100x minus x equals to 123.23 minus x. And what is the value of x? 1.23 bar. So it will become 99x equals to 123.23 minus 1.23. 99x equals to, subtract 123.23 minus 1.23. It will come 122. 0.00 it will come 1.22. So here we can see x value will be 122 upon 99. We got the value of x as 122 upon 99, which is a rational number. So we can say that non-terminating recurring numbers are also rational number. Once again you see this method, because this method will be useful for you in the questions of the exercise. So if a recurring number is there, non-terminating, we'll take it as x. After the decimal, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? That much zeros, that means that much place we will multiply. That is, if 2 digits are there, so 100 we will multiply. If 1 digit is there, 10 we will multiply. So 100x equals to 100 into this number. As we can see, 100 into 1.2323 will give 123.23 dash dash bar. Now subtract x both the side. 100x minus x किया और इधर 123.23 minus x. x की वैल्यू क्या है? 1.23. Now 100x minus x हो गया 99x. 123.23 minus 1.23 will give 122. So transfer this 99 here. X value is 122 upon 99, which shows that terminating and non-terminating recurring are the decimal expansion of rational numbers. Yes, now we are going to see the decimal expansion of irrational numbers. As we know, what are irrational numbers? Like root 2, root 3. These are irrational number. So we have to find that what is the decimal expansion of irrational number. So first we will take any number, any rational number, like for example we are taking root 2. We have to make its decimal expansion. By what method we are doing? By long division method. So root value of root 2, how we are finding? We can write 2 as 2.000000 like that. Now we have to take a number so that multiplying the same number or square of that number should be less than this number or equal to this number. हम कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं? हमको एक नंबर ऐसा ढूंढना है जो इस फर्स्ट नंबर के या तो स्क्वायर के इक्वल है या स्क्वायर से छोटा है. तो लाइक 1 1 सा 1, 2 से छोटा है, बट 2 2 सा अगर हम लेते हैं सेकेंड नंबर इट विल बी 4, 4 इससे बड़ा हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक 1 ओनली. तो 1 1 सा 1, सबट्रैक्टिंग इट वी विल गेट 1. फिर यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं? 1 में उसी नंबर को प्लस करेंगे. इट विल बिकम 1 + 1 2. Now in decimal what we are doing? The next numbers we are putting down, but यहाँ पर pairs आते हैं down. You cannot bring one number down. We can bring pair only. तो यहाँ 0 0 का pair it will come down. It will become 100. And as here decimal is there, so we will put decimal point here also. Now we have to search for a number which we can place here so that उस number को like 2 है, 2 में हमको ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ऐड करना है, that 22 into 2, that same number should come a number equal to this or less than this. So it will come 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So it is less than this. We can take 3 also, check for 3 or check for 4. So 24 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 96. So 24 4s are, so we can put 4 here. It will be 24 4s are 96. So it will be 4. Now we have to bring other 2 zeros. Now 24 and plus what number we have multiplied? 4, which will become 28. Now we have to bring one digit here. It will come 1 because 281 2s are will go further of 4. So 281 1s are 281. It will come 9, and here also, here it will come 1. Here also 1. Now add 1 because 1 से हमने multiply किया था. It is 282. Again these 2 zeros will come down. अब यहाँ पर हमको एक digit लाना है. So it can come 2 8 2 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 8 3s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 7 8. We can do by 4 also. 2 8 2 3 into 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 8 4s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 1 1 2 9 2. So it is coming. So we will take now we will take by 4. It is not going by 3. So 2 8 2 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 8 4s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 1 1 2 9 6. It is coming. That means we will take 4 here. 4s are 1 1 2 9 6 4 0 6. So 604. As we can see, if further we are taking out more numbers, more decimals, so it will come again and again, many digits will come, but it will not repeat. ये end भी नहीं होगा, terminate भी नहीं होगा और repeat भी नहीं होगा, recur भी नहीं होगा. So that means irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring. That means they cannot be terminated also. Irrational number terminate भी नहीं होंगे. They have no end and it cannot recur also. ये बार बार repeat भी नहीं होंगे. So if you find any number which is non-terminating and non-recurring, that means it is a rational number. So here we can see we have summarized the real numbers decimal expansion in two types. That is rational number. It can be terminating or it can be non-terminating recurring. And irrational number, they are non-terminating and non-recurring. So moving on to the next topic, that is finding irrational numbers between given two rational numbers. In our previous video, you can check, I have explained that how to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Here in this video, we are going to see finding irrational numbers between given two rational numbers. Now let's take an example. Say 2 and 3. We have to find irrational number between 2 and 3. That means we have to find numbers that are non-terminating and non-recurring between 2 and 3. So there are infinite numbers. So we can say that 2 and 3, that means it will come 2 point something. 2 point something, it can come 2.01, 001, 0001. It will be non-terminating also and non-recurring also, because every time we can see a different pattern. So this can be a number, an irrational number between 2 and 3. There can be numerous examples. We can take 2.75, 755, 7555, anything, any number you can take between 2 and 3. Let's take one more example of fraction for say 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now first convert them in decimal. So 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5 and 1 by 3 can be written as 3.333. That means it will be recurring. Then also it is a rational number. So 0.5 and 3.33 के बीच में हमको irrational number find करना है. तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे 0.5 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. So it will be more than 0.5. It can be 0.6, 006, 0006. It can be like that also. It can be 1.50, 500, 5000. So here are numerous irrational number between any given two rational numbers. So here we end up with today's video, where we have seen the decimal expansion of real numbers based on rational number and irrational number with few examples, and also we have seen finding irrational number between two rational numbers. I hope you like my video, so please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get more interesting videos with me. Thank you.